Hello! Hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a monthly gabay for the month of February 2024 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na yung hindi nag-i-escape ng ads na way pagpalain kayo na Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw ang manimbalik sa inyo. So guys, umpisahan na natin ang laban for the sign of Taurus. Angel Spirit Messages, give me an information. Ano kayang gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? So, Angel Spirit, ano kayang hanash or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga hagilap? So, there's a Five of Swords. So, there's an information dito, guys, na nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage. Not because of mga ginagawa mo or yung mga action or of course, verbal expressions or something, kumbaga, dahil sa mga maling decision mo. And because there's a Two of Wands, so there's a choices. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, ikaw talaga magdidikta ng ikabubuti at ikasasama mo. Additional messages. And of course, guys, there's Ace of Pentacles. So, there's a big money coming in for you. So, ibig sabihin dito, may malaking opportunity na papasok sa exam na mo na to. So, ibig sabihin, lakasan ng pakiramdam at, kumbaga, iwasan ang mga bagay-bagay na alam mong makakasama sa'yo. So, there's a Three of Swords. There's a pain. Marami kang nararamdaman, no? Either sa likod, kumbaga, sa paligid mo. Kumbaga, may mga nararamdaman ka either. Kumbaga, gano'n. It's either sa physically or emotionally and mentally. And because there's a Ten of Cups, so there's a happiness. Magkakaroon ka ng happiness dito, guys, no? Kumbaga, magdadala talaga sa'yo ng kaligayahan to. So, let's see. What is additional messages for Angel Spirit Guides? And of course, there's an Empress card. So, there's a reverse. So, ibig sabihin dito, magkakaroon ka ng bagong eksena or bagong simula. So, let's see. What is additional messages for the Five of Swords? So, there's a King of Wands. So, there's a control. So, ibig sabihin, controlin mo yung emotions mo. Even your actions. Kasi minsan nagiging padalos-dalos ka sa mga desisyon or sa mga plano mo sa buhay. And because there's an Ace of Cups, so there's a love life. So, ibig sabihin dito, may bagong harot, may bagong kinig or something. Kumbaga, itong tao na to, kumbaga, it's either may asawa ka, may jowa ka, o may partner ka, kumbaga, nagmamahal sa'yo. And because there's a Six of Wands, so there's a victory and success. So, magtatagumpay ka talaga pagdating sa larangan ng finances. No? And even sa career, guys. So, because there's a Two of Cups, so there's a partnership. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng magandang eksena about sa partnership mo. So, let's see. Additional messages. And because mag-ingat ka lang ha, kasi there's a lot of betrayal, kumbaga traitor, kumbaga mag-ingat ka lang. Additional messages for Ten of Cups. And because there's a Kingman, no? Nagkakaroon ng something delays or something cancellation. Yun yung kailangan mo mag-take ng actions kasi kumbaga ito yung, kumbaga it's a normal, no? Kumbaga pag nakakaranas ka ng something, pagbagal ng takbo ng eksena, so normal naman yan. So may mga bagay lang talaga na kailangan mo muna mag-focus, no? Iwasan mo yung mga walang kabuluhan because there's the Three of Cups. So there's a third party or either kumbaga itong gumagawa sa'yo, it's a person na, or it's either, kumbaga gumagawa sa'yo or negativities, or either, kumbaga maraming trader sa paligid mo. Babae siya, ha? So, let's see what is the Five of Swords and the King of Wands. And because there is a Hermit card, so there is a spiritual enlightenment. Kumbaga magbibigay ito ng about na kaliwanagan about sa spirituality. Ibig sabihin dito, guys, kumbaga, Kumbaga, nauunawaan mo, siguro may mga bagay na hindi pa para sa'yo, may mga bagay na para sa'yo. Kumbaga, ngayon nakokontrol mo yung emotion na hindi ka na padalos-dalos. Ganon. Kaya some of them, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage not because of pagiging aggressive or pagiging padalos-dalos. And of course, there is the Knight of Wands, slow and steady. Panatiliing kalmado. No? Kasi minsan talaga kapag ginusto mo. Because there's a 7 of Wands. Oh my God. Kumbaga magtatagumpay kapag dating sa larangan ng finances, career. And kasi sinasabi na 7 of Wands is a protection. No? Protection na mo na yung sarili mo. So let's see what is the 3 of Swords and of course the 2 of Cups. So there's a King of Swords. So there is a truth reveal or something na magbibigay sa na mental clarity. So, let's see. About sa partnership yan, malalaman mo na kagad kung sino yung mga naiingit sa'yo, yung mga kaibigan mo, gano'n. Kumbaga, matutuklasan mo na yan. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng realization, kaya pala never ka nagganto, never ka kumbaga, it's either nag-like or never kang, kumbaga, sumuporta sa business ko or either, kumbaga, kaya pala may ganong eksena ka, kaya yung pala may lihim na galit or inggit ka sa akin. Ganun pala yun. So, there's a 10 of Cups and of course the Hangman. So, there's the Moon card. So, there's a truth reveal and of course the revelation. Marami kang malalaman at marami kang matutuklasan about sa cancellation or delays na nangyayari sa'yo. You're feeling stuck. No? Kaya hindi ka makalis sa situation kasi mayroong, kumbaga, may dahilan. And because there's a 5 of Wands. So, say ito yung tao na to nagbibigay ng complication sa'yo. Itong tao na to yung gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Alam mo guys, it's either a competitor or something complicated. Ito yung nagbibigay ng complication sa'yo pagdating sa career, love life, and of course, so on. So, itong tao na to, kumbaga, malaking inggit sa'yo. So, let's see, what is the outcome? What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the 5 of Swords. So, ay 5 of Pentacles. So, there's a financial loss or something poverty. Mag-ingat ka lang kasi kapag hindi mo nagamayan to, may tendency magipit ka or magkaroon ng financial crisis. And of course, there's a temperance, a perfect timing. And of course, a solid foundation. And of course, kalma. No? Sinasabi na kumalma ka kasi masyado ka siguro napamadali sa paggastos. And the 8 of Swords, napapalibutan ka rin ng toxicities. No? Kapag may mga toxic friends ka or toxic relatives or toxic kumbaga surroundings. So it's either, I think it's a toxic relatives or toxic friends. No? So let's see. Additional messages for career. For your career is the Page of Cups. So listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. Kung ano yung pumasok sa isip mo, kung ano yung magiging negosyo mo. And the word card, there's a lot of trouble. So ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga may kinalaman to about sa kumbaga shipment, ganon. Kumbaga may mga gala ka na kumbaga maraming kumbaga panggagalingan resource of income mo. So let's see. Additional messages for love life. Pagdating naman sa love life mo is the 9 of Cups. So there's an offer. No, it's either apology or something, an email or messages. Pero kasi sinasabi dito, there's a Chariot card, so there's an action. Kung ibig sabihin, if you were single, kung may darating na tao na parang magpo-propose sa'yo or mag-aano sa'yo, no, magliligaw or magsasabi ng nararamdaman or either, kung aamin. Or there's a messages. Additional messages for health. So there's Knight of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, pagdating sa, there's a 4 of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless night or something stress, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo ipahinga yung utak mo. Marami tumatakbo sa utak mo, yun yung kailangan mong iwasan kasi nagkukosto ng anxieties. And of course, there's a sleepless night. Insomnia. Kaya hindi ka makatulog. So, let's see what is additional messages for magical fairy messages. So, what is a magical fairy messages for you? So, ano kayang chika ng ating mga gabay? So, there's a dietary change o may pagbabago pagdating sa pagda-diet mo. It's either umiiwas ka sa mga kinakain mong, kumbaga, gusto mo pumayat or gusto mo magpa-sexy or either, kumbaga talaga nag-iingat ka about sa mga kinakain mo. It's a good part. And there's an everything is okay. So, talagang, don't you worry, it's all working out in a beautiful way. So, ibig sabihin dito, maganda yung ginagawa mo at nakakabuti siya sa'yo, no? So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card For a yin and yang oracle card, there's an ego. Alisin mo tong bad pride mo, ha? Alisin mo tong ego. So, nagkukos na ng complication. And there's a freedom. Maraming opportunities na papasok. So, magtiwala ka sa ating Panginoon. Kasi kung may mga bagay na ibinibigay siya sa'yo, yun yung bagay na makakapagpahalaga at makakapagpasaya sa'yo. And because there's a nurturer, so compassion mo talaga ang pagdating sa love, no? Talaga pag minahal mo, mahal mo. And because there's an information by self-love, so kailangan mo rin alagaan yung sarili mo. No, wag mo masyadong tinitorture yung sarili mo sa kung ano-ano yung bagay, no? So let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra messages, angels, spirits, so there is a vanity. So, iwasan mo yung mga walang kabuluhang bagay, ha? Hindi siya nakakabuti sa'yo. And of course, guys, there's a perfection. So, may mga bagay dito na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng, kumbaga, kabuuan or something. And of course, there's a workaholic. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo na dito ng, kumbaga, ng pahinga din. So, mapiyo baka pagod ka, no? Sa trabaho, sa, kumbaga, sa negosyo or either sa kung ano man yung financial, kumbaga resource of financial mo. And of course, there's a courage, kailangan mong lumakas at kumbaga magtiwala, no? And of course, maniwala sa sarili mo. Confidence. And of course, there's a denial. I-acknowledge mo yung fear, palitan mo yan ng awareness. So, sinasabi dito na, kumbaga, oo, sa natatakot ka, pero, or nangangamba ka sa mga bagay-bagay, binibigyan ka na lang ng opportunity para, di ba? At least aware ka. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. So, there's a prayer work. So, kailangan mo talaga magdasal. Nakakatulong siya sa'yo. And of course, there's laughter is the best medicine. So, kailangan mo rin ng happy. No, kailangan natin maging masaya kahit papano. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael. Energy healing work. So, kailangan mo talaga ng, kumbaga magpagamot or magpagaling or something. Kailangan mo dito ng energy healing. And of course, guys, let's see. And of course, there is a positive thoughts to create a positive result. So, kailangan mo talaga maging positibo sa lahat ng mga iniisip mo. Umiiwas ka sa mga negativity. No? Even sa toxic. So, let's see. Pag alam mo toxic yung kaibigan na to, i-block mo, i-unfriend mo. Kasi kumbaga mahahawa ka dyan sa mga yan. And there's a body work. So, kailangan mo na massage, therapist, ganyan like that. Kumbaga, kailangan mo yan para, for your energy healing. No? And of course, there's a let go. May mga bagay na kailangan mo na let go. And there's an animal. So, some of you animal lover, no? So, let's see. Ano, chika, parang ating mga gabay. So, there is a window for transition and a release. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mong alisin. May mga bagay na kailangan mo lang, tigilan. Ganun. Additional messages. And of course, there is a sign. So, there is a God energy for magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan at kumbaga kalinisan sa kaisipan. Parang ganon. Maalis na yung magiging, yung dating pala isip mo or sa mga bagay-bagay. Kumbaga, this is the opportunity para lilinisin yung sarili mo. And there's a confidence. So, kailangan mo ng confident din dito. Diba? So, additional messages. And there's a surrender to the sweetness. So, kailangan mong i-surrender lahat-lahat, no? Yung mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. At the same time, there is an empathic star seed for, may mga bagay na hindi para sa'yo. Wag mo binibit na to, wag mo kinukuha pag alam mong hindi pa para sa'yo, di ba? Wag mong pilitin, wag mo ilapan. No, hayaan mong ibigay sa'yo ng ating poong may kapal. So, let's see, what is the Monsology? Monsology represents what you need to release. Ano yung mga kailangan mong alisin? There's a lot of toxic and negativities around you. Even yung thoughts mo. And there's a fairy climax approaches. So, my God, nasa exciting part ka na. And of course, dahil nasa climax ka na ng eksena mo na yan. So, ibig sabihin naman, may mga bagay na nararanasan ka na parating ka na sa exciting part. So, there is a temple fan. So, ibig sabihin, there's a lot of discoveries coming in for you. And a woman holding a heart, may taong may hawak ng puso mo talaga nagmamahal sa'yo. Or either may taong minamahal ka. And there's a yin and yang oracle card. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumaga maging positibo at kumaga maging balance. Ganon. Balance for negative and positive. And of course, there's a door to romance. So, may pintuan talaga pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Ganon. So, let's see. What is the romance angels? So, romance angels represent free yourself. No? It's time to take back control of your life. And of course, there's an engagement. So, some of you mag-engage na or ikakasal na or something. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ng higher level for commitment. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. So, there's an improving health. So, mag-improve na raw yung health mo. Diba ba? Kasi alam mo na yung mga bagay na kailangan mo iwasan. At the same time, there's a within to the next few months. So, sa mga susunod na buwan, so, magiging maganda na ang takbo ng eksena mo. And of course, dito guys, there's a recovery. Oh my God! So there's a recovery and there's an improving health. It's all about your health. Na para binibigyan ka ng sign or synchronicities dito na kung magagagaling ka na sa mga sugat or yung mga nararamdaman mo. Jesus loving quotes. Ano chika si Jesus dito? So sinasabi ni Jesus dito sa'yo ay be a good comfort. Your faith has been removed. No? Kumbaga, matuto kang, kumbaga, it's either magpakumbaba sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyari sa'yo, kumbaga gano'n. Kumbaga, may mga taong tutulong sa'yo, and of course, maging gentle ka na lang, no? Na, kumbaga, tanggapin mo yung mga tulong ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi, kumbaga, instrument din siya ni God. Kumbaga, dyan susubukin ang pananampalataya at tiwala mo. No? At bibigay sa'yo ang buong-buong, di ba? Blessing na para sa'yo. Ganon. So, let's see, what is that angel's number? Angel's number represent 1. So there is a 555. I am optimistic. A major shift is about to come into your life. Experiences that change your path direction. Be open and stay positive. So see, being optimistic, maging positibo ka sa lahat ng eksena. Umiwas sa nega, umiwas sa toxic, di ba? Mga tao na yan kaya toxic yan, first negative yan. Kasi alam mo kung bakit? Malaking inggit sa katawan yan. And because there is a discovering, no? Marami ka pa madidiscover. Marami ka pang malalaman. Akala mo itong tao na to, totoo sa'yo. No! Wala ka pa. Hindi mo pa alam ang totoong mangyayari. Today, I rediscover my old beliefs, conviction and preconceived, notion in their place. I seek new ideas, innovation, and endless possibilities. I am adaptable. I am able to see beyond my previous limitation and discover greater words inside me. Kumbaga marami ka pang matutuklasan. Akala mo, alam mo na. Nagkakamali ka, ipapaalam sa'yo ng Panginoon yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nalalaman. At marami ka pang matututunan at marami ka matutuklasan. So guys, this reading is a general reading naman hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-share ng aking video sa namang uri na social media platforms. Maraming salamat po. And of course, lalo-lalo na yung mga hindi nag-skip ng ads na may pagpalagay ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, diglig na gumapang, biyay man balik sa inyo. And of course, guys, this reading is a monthly gabay for the month of February 2024 for the sign-off. Taurus. So, Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!